the Mediterranean Sea?
Mediterranean Sea? No.
Okay, what is the meaning of the Mediterranean? Because the Mediterranean is the words like it's like a mid, right?
What?
The Mediterranean means the mid. The wording of this is the mid.
Yeah, I think so.
So today I will start my lesson that is about the Mediterranean Sea. We discuss the geography of the Mediterranean Sea, its climate. We are talking about the basin of the Mediterranean Sea, and we discuss all about the countries who is around it and who linked with that Mediterranean Sea. Is it clear, my dear? Here is a map. Just look at this, the blue body. The blue body and the earth is here. So that blue body is in the center of the earth. Can you please, my video is clear here, my dear? My presentation?
Yeah.
I need your comments, my dear.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Look, this is the way. That's why we said that the Mediterranean Sea means it's a middle, because why we give the name of the Mediterranean? Because it's in the middle of the earth. Right? It's like I gave you only the picture, and that picture shows us that the blue body is spread all over in the center. That's why everyone gave the name of this sea is the Mediterranean Sea, means middle in the earth. Okay. Now, just talk about what is the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea is a large body of the water that is located between Europe, North Africa, and Northwestern Asia. So now think about these continents: Europe, Africa, Northwestern Asia. And look at this, right? Here, Africa, Europe is in the north side of the Mediterranean Sea. Africa is in the south part of the sea. So if we say that the Northern America is linked with the Mediterranean Sea, this is not wrong. Okay, my dear? Here, if I said that Europe is in the north of the Mediterranean Sea and Africa is in the south of the Mediterranean Sea. Is that clear? In the map, this is clear that Europe is located in the northern part of the Mediterranean Sea. My dear, can you please give me the response? Hello?
Yes.
No need to mute yourself.
Okay.
I want your response.
Okay.
Because we are right now reading the map. Yeah. Which helps you to find out the things, and it should be clear for you. Europe is located in the north part of the Mediterranean Sea and Africa is in the south part of the Mediterranean Sea. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. South and north means one is in a upper and second one is a down. The south is always be the down. Okay. Now, if I said the Africa, the northern Africa linked with the Mediterranean Sea, am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Because, okay, it is in the south part of the Mediterranean Sea, but the northern part, the upper part of the Africa linked with the Mediterranean Sea, right? Now, go for next point. They said Europe is located between Europe and North Africa and Southwestern Asia. Look at here. Here is the Asia in the, here, this is Southeastern. Southeastern means the right side and the downside. This part is called the southeastern, eastern south of the Asia. Is it clear? This is the location. It is in between Africa, Europe and Northern Africa. And we said the southwestern Asia. Western means you can go to the left side. Eastern means you can go to the right side. Okay? Like you put one ball in between these three continents. So you will get the idea that where it is located, actually the Mediterranean Sea. Right? The second point, it stretches from the Strait of Gibraltar on the west of the Danube Seas and the Suez Canal on the west. Look here. Here. This is the Strait of the Gibraltar, and they said that this is, they are going, is stretched from here to here. This is the another strait. So we stretch this sea from Gibraltar to Drunlis, the Drunlis here. So two, in between the two straits. We said this is a stretch, this is a stretch in between these two straits. Strait means they make a narrow streams there. So they will be find out the different ways to go out. Is that clear? One is in the right side and one is in the left side. Right? These two straits. Look at the picture here. Number one is here, my dear. I will show you this one. Just check my cursor. Number one is here, straight. This is near to the Asia, and one is here, which is on the other side of the Africa, right? The two corners. These two straits is in a two corners. One is in the eastern side and second is the western side. Now, so located in between Europe and North Africa and Southwestern Asia. Number two, it stretches from the two straits. From one is the Gibraltar and second one is the Dardanelles. Third point, the Mediterranean Sea borders several smaller seas like Adriatic and Ionian. Look here.
Okay.
This is my cursor. Just check my cursor. These are the streams actually, because they are going away. So if one water body is there, so it doesn't mean that it will move in a one way. No, it will be take another side. So these two, Adriatic Sea and the Ionian Sea is here. Because if the main body different is divided into a different parts, so we said they are subdivided into many small seas. And these seas, they are facing different countries. They are moving in between the different countries. And every country have their own sea, which is connected to the Mediterranean Sea actually. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are talking about the Adriatic Sea. It's like the arm of the Mediterranean Sea. It's like your right arm, right? You can stretch your right arm. So it's like our arm and arm of the Mediterranean Sea separating the Apennine Peninsula from the Balkans. So no need to just think about this. that what is this actually. It's like an arm. That's all. Because your work is only to check this, that what is this, because in your book there is no more information. They said this is the arm. It's a border several smaller seas. Okay, the Adriatic Sea is and the arm of the Mediterranean Sea separating the Apennine Peninsula, means Italy, from the Balkans. That's all. This is your points. You can just look at this. Here, number 1. Then we are talking about number 2. The line is the arm of the Mediterranean Sea separating the Apennine Peninsula from the Balkans. So this is the Italy. They separate these two, right? My cursor, you can see my cursor, my dear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what? Hala? Hala?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I said
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Now, the second is the Ionian Sea. Ionian Sea is here. Look, this is here. This is also an arm of the Mediterranean Sea, south of the Adriatic Sea. So this is the Adriatic Sea. This is the down. If the things is down, it means it's the south, right? If it is up, it means it's the northern side. So this is the south part of it. So it actually, they put the name because of the one king, the name of the king, they just refer their name with it. So this is the south of the Atlantic Sea, and that's all. In your book, that's all. What about this? The Atlantic Sea. The Atlantic Sea is an arm and it separates the Italy from the other sea. Right? Secondly, the Ionian Sea. This is actually this is also the arm, but it is in the south of the Adriatic Sea. That's all. Yes, I mean, any problem in this?
No.
Okay. So here, it's a Mediterranean basin. Mediterranean basin. First, who tell me that what is the meaning of the basin? Anyone explain the term basin? Any idea?
No.
Okay. Here, the basin is an extent or an area of the land where the surface water from the rain and the melting snow or ice gather to a single point. If something is gathered, it means this should be the shallow or the deep, because it's like a ball, right? If you get any ball which is collected the water from the mountains, from the melting of the snow. So what happened? We said this is a basin and it will be streams out. There are many streams to make the things. So all the rivers, all the lakes, all the oceans, they have the basins. So some point should be the very deep where they are having many streams to coming out. Is that clear? Actually, the mean is the bowl. They collect the things. They collect the water. Where the waters join another water body. And then they join another water body. So waters comes from everywhere. And they are collected in one place. And they join the sea or the ocean. Or the lake. Right? So the same thing we are talking about the Mediterranean basin. The Mediterranean basin is the region of the land around the Mediterranean Sea. They have the Mediterranean climate. So all these countries, all this region where the basin is there, it means they have actually, because the Mediterranean water is there. So definitely they have the same climate. They share the same climate. It borders 21 different nations. It borders with the 21 different nations. It means the 21 countries were there. Some nations that bordered the Mediterranean Sea include Spain, France, Morocco, Turkey, Lebanon, Palestine, etc. and over 3,000 islands. So we are talking about this. Again, we will go to the map and look at this. Here, look, that part of the Mediterranean Sea, this is here, where we are talking about the Italy, France, Monaco, Spain, Morocco, Algeria, Tunis, Libya, all these things here. This part, you said this is your left part. So the right side or the western side, we are talking about the western side here. The western side, they have the same actually the climate. Like here, we are talking about the Italy, Monaco. This is the north part. So just looking at the north part of this, Italy, Monaco, France, and Spain, you know, they all have their same climate. It's about to be same climates. They share their same climates. And they have many islands like this here, the Sicily. Here, the Sardinia. Here, the Corsica. Here is the Ballerina. So all these, they are the biggest islands here. Why? Because they are the white color part, my dear, here. The white color part. Just see this. So these all are the islands. And they have 3,000, actually 3,000 islands here. Is that clear, my dear? Why I put this map continuously in front of you? Because with the help of this map, we can be figure out these things which is mentioned in the book. Is that clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Here we are looking only the right side, left side, because we are talking about the basin. And the basin means all the countries which is bordered them, they all have the same climate. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now go for about the climate. This climate is characterized by hot, dry summer and cool, wet winters. The Mediterranean climate means, again the same thing, the mid, not too hot, not too cold. So hot, dry summer and cool, wet winter. Otherwise, in the very the countries which have cool season or the cold countries, they have at least 10 months or 8 months is very hot, very cold, and only the 4 months they are not too hot but little hot. So like if we are talking about the England, normally their temperature goes to minus 23 to minus 33, right? This is the cold days. And during the summer days, their temperature should be the maximum 26 to 28, not more than it. So their temperature is varying because of their altitude also. Secondly, if we are talking about the hot countries like the Qatar. Qatar is a hot country, so that's why their summer is longer than the winter. Nowadays, actually, it's supposed to be a cold, but nowadays, maximum temperature is minimum temperature is 17 or 18. But during the hot days, the temperature will be till 50 we have. Is that clear, my dear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why who's there now with us?
Muhammad.
Mohammed. Welcome, Mohammed. Why you are late? Mohammed, I want to listen you.
Yes, miss.
Why you are late?
Because I had to go out to get a blood test.
Okay, now please be awake now, please, because we are about to be finished the lesson. Okay, now the temperature and the rainfall can vary greatly throughout the regions. So as it depends on the region that which where in the region is, their location, their altitude, everything is depends on the climate. So climate factors is the altitude, the temperature, and how much rainfall were there. The third point is occurs in the southern and the southwestern Australia, central Chile, coastal California, and the western Cape of the South Africa and around the Mediterranean basin. This climate is found between 31 and 40 degrees latitude and is often found on western side of the continent. So they said actually our point is which we have to be keeping in our mind that number one, it is hot, dry summer and cool, wet winter. This is the basic point about the climate of the Mediterranean Sea. What is this? Hot, dry summer and cool, wet winter. Hot and dry summer, cool and wet winter. Right?
Yeah.
Now you should go to the activity book, page number 88, please. Page number 88. Have you opened your book?
No. I am.
Yes, it's open.
Okay. You opened. Okay. They said number one question is there is a map of the Mediterranean Sea which I already showed you. So again I will show you this, the Mediterranean Sea. Look, we can open this map and let's start to solve. Number one, they said the Mediterranean Sea is bordered on the north by dash and the east by dash and in the south by dash. Yes, three countries were there, my dear. Three continents, Europe, Africa and Asia. So now give me the answer. From the north by which? Come on, look at the map, please.
From north. Wait. From north.
What is there in the north of the
West
Mediterranean Sea?
From
Europe. Very
Europe,
good.
Europe,
Very
Europe,
good. Yeah.
From south is Africa, from east is Asia. South is not
Very
Africa.
good. Yeah, of
South
course.
is not Africa.
Look at here, my dear. Here is Europe in the north. In the south is Africa. In the east is Asia.
So you do not mean from the name.
No, they are talking about the continents, the border.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
Very good, Hala. Very good. It means you are now active. Okay. So Amin and Muhammad. I also expect answer from you. Yes, my dear Hala.
The first question is European countries, not continents.
No, the border on the north by Europe, the east and the south by that. The second question, yes, you can talk about this, the fill in the blanks. It's not about the countries, this is about the continents, my dear.
Miss, you're on which page?
Page number 87 in activity book.
Why you told me 88?
I said 87. Then why you give me the answer, my dear? How? Is that clear now? 87. Okay, now question number 2, you have to fill in the blanks. Take your time and start filling this, please. 1 minute. I gave you only 1 minute to read this and only the 3 fill in the blanks and give me the answer. Come on.
Okay.
Amin, now I'm expecting answer from your side, please.
Miss, no answer.
Yes. You did?
Libya, Egypt,
My dear,
Tunisia.
page number 87. Page number 87.
27.
Yes. Question number 2.
Okay.
Our time will be finished at
8.
8. Okay, 15 minutes left.
This is actually 13.
13 what?
Minutes left.
Yeah, okay. Yes. Amin, are you ready to give me the answer?
1 minute.
1 minute, okay. But 1 minute is too much, my dear. Okay, you can take your time. Muhammad? Muhammad?
Yes, Miss.
Muhammad, have you opened your book, page number 87 in activity book? Have you opened?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the first answer is the Mediterranean Sea is bordered on the north by Europe, the east by Asia, and in the south by Africa.
Okay, Miss. I'll write it. Yeah.
Hurry up. Yes, Amin, are you ready now?
I got it, Miss.
So before you are just sleepy and you are sitting without anything? Yes, Amin. Can I read questions now? Fill in the blanks. The 3 fill in the blanks are there. Number 1 is the Dash Sea is a large body of water that is located between Europe, Northern Africa, and Southwestern Asia. Which sea is there,
Mediterranean
my?
Sea.
What?
Mediterranean Sea.
Very good. Mediterranean Sea. Now the second one. The Dead Sea is an arm of the Mediterranean Sea south of the Adriatic Sea. What is this? Arm. The 2 arms are there. One is Adriatic. Number 2 is Ionian. So which one is there? That is the south of the Adriatic Sea. Which one?
Ionian Sea.
Ionian Sea. Good. Number 3. The Dead
Also,
Sea
write
is an
Ionian.
arm. Yes, my dear.
How to write an onion?
Ionian.
How to write it?
Yeah. The question number 2. Number 3. The Dead
How
Sea
to
is an
write it?
arm. Yes, Mohab.
How to write it?
What?
How to write an onion?
Then what we write?
How to write it? How to spell it?
How to spell it? Okay. I-O-N. I-A-N. Ionian.
I-R-N. I what?
I-A-N.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Now the third one. The Dead Sea is an arm of the Mediterranean Sea separating the Apennine Peninsula, Italy from the Balkans. Yes, I mean. The second arm. What is the name of the second arm? We separate the Italy with the Balkan. I mean, you already gave me one arm on name. What is the name of the second arm?
Adriatic Sea.
Adriatic Sea. Yes. So right, Adriatic Sea. Yes, Muhammad, are you here?
Yes, yes.
You got our points?
Yeah.
Okay. Write down in first filling the blanks, page number 87. Is it open now?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Wait, yeah.
Okay. The first is there that the Mediterranean Sea is bordered on the north by Europe. Write down Europe there. Guys, you need to go to page number 88 and try to solve it. So we will be check after. Come on, solve this now. And yes, Muhammad, have you write down Europe there?
Yes, yes.
Can you please open your camera? I want to check you first. Can you please open your camera, Muhammad?
Okay. Mm. Uh, Page 88, yeah. Okay, I think I found the button. Um, Page 88, numbers.
Show me your book first. Page number 87 in activity book. Show me first.
Ah,
Can you please put your camera down? I can
okay.
see your walls. I can see your roofs, but I cannot see you.
So my thing is working, yeah?
Yeah. Can you please put it down?
Okay.
Open this again.
Where was that button? Okay, yeah, I found it. Page 87?
Yes. Even you are just struggling to find out the page number? What is this, Muhammad? Show me your book. It means I'm right that you couldn't write anything. Yes. Now write number 1, the north by Europe.
Okay.
The east by Asia.
East by Asia.
And in the south of by Africa.
The south by Africa.
Now, go for question number 2. Fill in the blanks. We have 3 filling the blanks there, Muhammad. Again, can you please keep open your camera, please?
Okay.
Because you are sleepy.
Because I didn't sleep well.
Number 1 is the Mediterranean Sea. Write down the Mediterranean Sea.
The Mediterranean Sea.
Number 1 is the Mediterranean Sea.
Mediterranean.
Hala, you done page number 88?
Page
Hala?
number 88.
Yeah, 88.
No.
Amin? You also start to solve page number 88 because this is a map and they are asking some questions about the map. You can read the map and they give the answer. Mohab,
Yeah.
go to page number 88
Yeah,
and try
I'm
to
already
solve
there.
it.
I'm already there.
Good. Yes, please everyone open your cameras. That's really important for me.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Muhammad. Question number 2 answer is Ionian. Come on. Muhammad.
Yes, miss. Mhm.
Number
Alright.
2, Ionian. And number 3 answer is Adriatic.
What?
Adriatic. Spelling is ADRIATIC.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Now, can you please show me your page first? 87 page. No. Again. Mediterranean is always be start with the capital. Adrian, it's always be capital letter. Please use the capital letter for all the names.
Okay, I used all.
Okay, now go for page number 88. There is a questions. It's all about the map. The map is here, the Mediterranean Sea map. They said, name the 3 European countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea is in the north side. Come on. How many
North.
countries were there?
Miss,
The
I'm done,
north
but I
side,
cannot
the
go on
European
question
countries.
number 3.
You are in question number 3.
No, I done all. I done 1, 2, and 4. I didn't
Okay.
do question number 3. I didn't
I
understand it.
told you the island means the white color part.
Yeah, Yani, what I have to write?
The name of that island is mentioned in the map. I will show you my
Africa?
presentation. Yeah, my dear.
Like Africa?
Africa is a country, my dear. It's not island. Island means it is bordered with the, sorry, it is all side is water. So it is in between the sea and the white color part mentioned with the these, like this.
Crete?
So you can write down the name of this. The big is the Sicily, this one, right?
Okay.
Then that second one is that one, that's Sardinia.
Okay.
Is that clear? The island means the all side they have a water. They are surrounded by the water. The white part which is in the map. Okay? Yes. Hala, what is the answer? The name of the 3 countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. European countries means they should be in the north side of the Mediterranean Sea. Can you please give me the name?
France, Italy,
Italy and France.
and France, Italy, and Slovenia.
What Salville? Is it Spain? Spain.
No, I didn't write Spain. I write this one.
What this one? I will just show me. It's Monaco. Okay, Slovenia. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. Now, go to question number 2. They asked for the name 3 Arab countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Now we are talking about the Arabic countries, Arab countries. Amin, can you please give me the answer of these Arabian countries?
Libya,
Libya, good.
Egypt,
Egypt, very good.
Tunisia.
And,
Tunis.
sorry.
He say Tunisia.
Tunisia, okay. It's okay. Now,
That's what I wrote.
Muhammad,
Yes,
give
miss.
me the name of the 2 large island in the Mediterranean Sea. 2 large island. Here. Number one, this is the big one. Number two, this is the big one. What is the name of this island?
The name of that island is more.
Start with S. Here, my cursor. Just check my cursor.
Okay. There. Sicily.
It's Sicily. And the second one is?
Second one is Sardinia.
Sardinia. It's Sardinia. Okay. Now, Mohab, this is your turn.
Yeah.
Give me the answer that what is the Mediterranean climates like?
The Mediterranean climate is categorized by hot, dry summer,
Good.
and cool, wet winter.
Very good. Very good. So, the climate is hot and dry summer. Hot and dry summer. Cool and wet winter. Done?
Yeah.
Muhammad, any question about this? My dear, if you have any question, please, you can ask.
No.
No. Okay. Bye, because I have my next class. So, Muhammad, please complete your work and send me. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. I think she's gonna retire.